pyramid itself and the sophisticated society that settled at the Nile River thousands of years ago. 7 great wonders of the world, the Great Pyramid of Giza is considered an ancient masterpiece of engineering and architecture and one of the best examples of ancient construction. It is very possible that the Great Pyramid of Giza could be one of the best examples of a super ancient energy power plant. It was a huge ancient structure that was capable of using the Earth's natural properties in order to create or produce a great amount of energy. This energy is believed to have been used by the ancient Egyptians and possibly other ancient cultures. We will encounter that the ancient civilizations around the globe were in fact extremely sophisticated and used advanced technologies thousands of years before mainstream science reinvented them. Is it possible that the Great Pyramid of Giza was built as a giant power plant? In fact, ancient civilizations were far more advanced than we believe. Remember this guy? Egyptologist Zahi Hawass was indicted for theft of Egyptian antiquities. These advanced technologies were present in ancient Egypt, ancient Greece, ancient Sumer, and other ancient civilizations. Electricity, electrochemistry, electromagnetic technology, metallurgy, advanced engineering, including hydrogeology, chemistry, physics, and advanced forms of mathematics and astronomy were all used thousands of years ago by ancient civilizations. Many researchers agree that in the distant past, electricity was widely utilized in the land of the pharaohs, with the Baghdad battery being one of the best examples of such advanced technology. By examining the careful history and details left behind by the ancient Egyptians, a different truth is immediately revealed. Intricate carvings demonstrate that the ancient Egyptians utilized what appear to be handheld torches that were not lit up by fire and were, as many believe, powered by means of wireless electricity thousands of years ago. But these mysterious torches were not the only example in ancient Egypt. It is also believed that the ancient lighthouse in Alexandria, Egypt, was powered by an arc lamp and is another crucial piece of evidence suggesting that electricity was used in ancient Egypt. The electricity required to power such incredible structures on a daily basis could only have been provided by a regular huge electrical source. This is why many people believe that the Great Pyramid of Giza in the distant past has some sort of giant energy machine used to power numerous devices across Egypt. While the idea of the Great Pyramid of Egypt were used as a giant power plant, generating free wireless energy could explain numerous enigmas about the pyramid itself and the sophisticated society that settled at the Nile River thousands of years ago. I believe that this sophisticated insulation property allowed the ancient Egyptians to fully control the release of energy from within the pyramid. Similar characteristics can be found in a conductive insulating cable. Granite contains high amounts of quartz crystal and metal, a well-known conductor of piezoelectricity. Piezoelectricity occurs as a result of stress or pressure on the quartz. When such electrons are given the chance to bypass sections of rock using a metal wire, quite large currents can flow. The pyramids at the Giza Plateau rise above limestone layers located underneath aquifers, and the spaces in between them are filled with great amounts of water, and these layers of rock are capable of transmitting energy upwards as they carry the underground water to the surface. This means that the high volume flow of water that passes through these underground cavities is capable of producing an electrical current known as physioelectricity. Physioelectricity can be defined as electricity obtained from the natural physical movements with the help of certain harnessing devices, can be termed as physioelectricity. The age of the pyramids themselves, along with weathering on the nearby Sphinx, which indicates that they endured tremendous water erosion. The monuments are possibly double the age that they are said to be. The chambers built within the Great Pyramid of Giza are considered as granite conductors, implemented in the design, charged with physioelectricity. This means that given the material and specific construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza, the electromagnetic field that forms at the very bottom of the pyramid is transmitted towards the upper layers of the pyramid. It is believed that in the distant past, a device of excellent electric conductivity was located at the top of the pyramid, where today an empty space remains, and was believed to be made from gold. Gold could have created a conductive path for energy to be directed upwards, directing it high into the ionosphere. The pyramid's geographical location magnifies the electromagnetic forces on the planet, where telluric currents are at their strongest. Wireless energy, using the Earth's electromagnetic field, of this ancient technology used in Egypt over 4,000 years ago. Tesla's tower was also believed to have been built upon aquifers, which means that the electric technology used by Tesla is nearly identical to that applied in the construction of the Great Pyramid. Both the Great Pyramid of Giza and Tesla's magnificent Wardenclyffe Tower were systems that generated negative ions and were capable of transmitting them without the need for electric cables. It appears that the ancient Egyptians were not the only ones to have understood the benefits of this ancient technology. A recent study has shown that a natural sinkhole, also known as a cenote, is located underneath the pyramid of Chichen Itza. Experts have found it is connected to other caverns and lakes in the area. The water filling the cavern is thought to run from north to south. This means that the pyramid of Chichen Itza sits upon a subterranean water source, similar to Tesla's Wardenclyffe Tower and the Great Pyramid of Giza. The Earth itself has 7 chakras. The Great Pyramid is said to be on the Earth's 5th chakra location. A ley line is a straight fault line in the Earth's tectonic plates. The sky gods told him, "We are all connected to the Earth's electromagnetic fields, and our heart is our battery." Many of our ancient spiritual figures knew this hidden knowledge and meditated or prayed on these lines or megalithic structures. It seems so much more believable that these pyramids functioned as power plants and directed electromagnetic energy into the ionosphere. They have nothing in common with other tombs. Why the unique construction materials to build the Great Pyramid, including some of the same materials used for conducting power? The pyramid itself and the sophisticated society that settled at the Nile River thousands of years ago